All right, what's poppin' YouTube? Sunday fun day, vibes going. Here's the Bitcoin. I touched on this in a live video, but the live video was shitty, so I had to delete it. I'm still working out the visual and audio settings on that. But here's a daily chart of Bitcoin. You can see the momentum is leading lower here. It made a new low, and it's below the orange and green line, which is usually a bearish signal versus bullish here. Again, barring any news, of course, but Bitcoin is struggling to get back above the 95 area, basically. Every time it does, it gets shot down and denied. Denied. Again, if you've been watching this, I've had a 90K target, which was tagged back in here. I covered my shorts. I flipped long, and now I'm patiently waiting, but I may have to hedge or liquidate the longs and then go back short, depending on if risk is on or off this week in the financial markets. The futures open tonight at 6. Here is Bitcoin though. It's in this again, a bear flag, rising wedge, what have you, pattern channel. So if this breaks this line here, this uptrend line UTL, and this horizontal support here, then again it's going down to 70K. So right now, I have like a target on my shorts. If I do go short, which would be predicated off this all failing and going to shit. And if that were to happen, that would mean Bitcoin is going to fall from about here to here. Oh, hold on a second. Oh, that did not do it like I wanted to do. Well, basically, if we did it the opposite, but it has like a, sorry, I'm not as good as on mobile. But this thing has about a 25% drop, another 25% drop or so could happen on Bitcoin, which would line up with the 70K. So, I'm waiting to see, but I have an alert here. You can see these orange lines are alerts. So if this, I'll be at birthday parties today. If this line breaks, I may go hedge some futures in Coinbase or what have you to hedge out some long risk. But I don't want to be early and premeditated, and then, my hedge also go against me. So for now, it's making higher lows, which is near-term bullish, but it's struggling at 95K. If it gets above 95K, that's should be smooth sailing back up to 107, 110K. If it gets under 85K again and breaks that final support line, then that means we're headed to 70K, which was the all-time high in 2021. So Bitcoin is going to be shitting the bed really hard, testing areas it hasn't been at since 2021, which is rather bearish because it's been 4 years. But anyways, cheers guys. More updates coming. Like and subscribe. Holla.